If you are interested in the microneedling kit from Ceranova, visit ceranova.com and use the code CLARA20 and you will receive 20% off your purchase. Hey loves, happy Mother's Day to you. I hope your day was fabulous. I am treating myself to the fourth installment of the Ceranova microneedling kit. Before, and I will show you after. We are primed and ready to go. So, here we go. Again, guys, there is no pain involved in this at all. I actually like to do my lips a little bit tender there, but not bad. I like to do a couple of runs along my smile lines and along my marionette lines. And I'll just start on the other side. And you want to make sure that you are overlapping where you're placing your needles. If you're not getting enough serum out, just kind of tilt your head a bit so that the applicator is kind of tilted downward so that the serum comes out. Again, guys, it is not painful. The only place that I can tell you really that I am having any kind of feeling is just around my lips and just here on the lower part of my eye and my brow bone. Those are really the only tender spots, and they're really not that tender. It's almost kind of like a little pinch. It's not even, you know, but I like to go over my eye area a couple of times. Those are my problem areas, and those are where I like to just spend a little extra time. And again, like I said, I do my smile lines 3 different times, and I also do my marionette lines. And I have, this is how much I have left, and I've already done my entire face. I will do down here on my neck also. Same concept. Okay, so I still have some left, and I'm gonna go over those areas again. I like to do my eyes. I like to do around my eyes a few times. I also like to do my smile lines and my marionette lines, and I also like to go around my mouth because I'm finding that I'm getting a lot of those fine lines around my mouth area. So we're gonna do it again over that, and I'll be right back. Hey loves, she's a little spicy right now. As you can see, we got some redness going on, but that's when the magic happens. Of course, we just poked about 20 needles, you know, consecutively all over our face. So we're going to be a little stingy and we're going to be a little red, but that is how the system delivers the serum into the deeper parts of your skin, which is the benefit of microneedling. So I am going to show you, this is immediately after. There's going to be a little bit of the serum left in the bottle. All I did was take the lid off and I put that all over my face and down my neck. But I'll be back in about 2 hours to show you what my skin looks like. It should be nice and calm and the redness should be gone and we should be a little bit more plump than what we are right now. So I'll be back in a minute. Hey loves, as you can see, this is about 2 hours after the microneedling that I did. And as you can see, the redness is pretty much alleviated. skin is a little bit plumper. It is like 10:30 right now, so I am getting ready for bed, so I look a little, you know, a little sleepy, but I will be back tomorrow to let you see what my skin looks like the next day. So until then. Hey loves, this is the night after my Ceranova microneedling treatment. This is installment number 4 of 6, and yes, I can definitely tell a difference in my skin. It's looking much brighter, plumper. It's just in better condition, except for this lovely bad dog right here. Yeah, I feel like I'm hitting puberty all over again. This wonderful menopause is just, it's a fabulous situation. I mean, I recommend it to everyone. Not. But I digress. Other than that, my skin is looking really good in my opinion. I am very happy with the Ceranova microneedling kit. I do recommend it. But yeah, I think it's working, and it really doesn't hurt. It takes all of maybe 5 minutes. It's a little bit stingy afterwards, but I can honestly tell you that the results after I do it, I can definitely tell a difference. So I just thought that I would give you guys an update. This is number 4 of the 6 treatments that I have. So I've been doing it every week and a half to 2 weeks. And yeah, I can tell a difference. So until next time, guys, bye.